In an increasingly interconnected world, managing finances across different countries has become a common need for individuals and businesses alike. Whether it's sending money to family, paying for international services, or conducting global business transactions, having reliable and efficient tools is crucial. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, has emerged as a popular platform for international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. This naturally leads to the question for those in Nigeria or dealing with Nigerian finances. Does Wise Bank work in Nigeria? To clarify, Wise is not a bank in the traditional sense. It's a financial technology company that provides services for international money transfers, multi-currency accounts, and debit cards in certain regions. Therefore, the question isn't about whether a Wise Bank operates in Nigeria, but rather about the availability and functionality of Wise's services within the country. The good news is that Wise does work in Nigeria, but with certain specific functionalities. As a finance management expert, it's important to understand these nuances to effectively utilize the platform for your needs. Sending money to Nigeria. The primary function of Wise that is readily available in Nigeria is the ability to receive money from abroad. Individuals and businesses outside Nigeria can use Wise to send funds in various currencies directly to Nigerian Naira, NGN, bank accounts. This process typically involves the sender funding their transfer through Wise, which then converts the currency at the mid-market exchange rate, the real exchange rate you see on Google with transparent fees, and sends the equivalent amount in NGN to the recipient's Nigerian bank account. This feature is incredibly useful for diaspora remittances. Nigerians living and working abroad can send money to their families back home efficiently and often at a lower cost compared to traditional banks or other money transfer services. International business payments. Businesses can receive payments from overseas clients or partners in their local currency, which is then converted to NGN and deposited into their Nigerian bank accounts. Freelancers and remote workers. Individuals earning income from international clients can receive their payments conveniently through Wise. Limitations of Wise in Nigeria. While receiving money via Wise in Nigeria is functional, it's crucial to note the current limitations. Inability to send money from Nigeria. As of my last update in May 2025, Wise does not currently support sending money out of Nigeria. Users in Nigeria cannot initiate international money transfers through the Wise platform. No NGN balance or account details. Wise does not offer the ability to hold a balance in Nigerian Naira or provide local NGN account details for receiving money from within Nigeria. The platform primarily facilitates the conversion of foreign currencies to NGN for inward transfers. Wise card not available. The Wise debit card, which allows users in some regions to spend and withdraw money internationally with low fees, is not currently available for residents of Nigeria. Why these limitations? The reasons for these limitations often stem from regulatory complexities and local financial infrastructure in Nigeria. Financial service providers like Wise need to comply with the specific laws and regulations of each country they operate in, which can sometimes restrict the full suite of their services. Currency controls and foreign exchange policies in Nigeria might be factors influencing these limitations. Alternatives for sending money from Nigeria. Given that Wise doesn't currently support outgoing transfers from Nigeria, individuals and businesses need to explore alternative options for sending money abroad. These may include traditional banks. Nigerian banks offer international wire transfer services, although these often come with higher fees and less favorable exchange rates compared to platforms like Wise. Other money transfer services. Several other international money transfer services operate in Nigeria, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, and potentially newer fintech platforms. It's advisable to compare their fees, exchange rates, and transfer speeds before choosing one. Online payment platforms. Some online payment platforms that have a presence in Nigeria might facilitate international payments, depending on the purpose and the recipient's location.